Don't say a thing to a stranger. Stay away from folks you don't know. Don't go any place with a stranger. Just holler, no, I won't go. Don't ever take a thing from a stranger, either a woman or a man. Get away quick from a stranger. Run off as fast as you can. Stay far away from a stranger. Don't walk near his car or his van. The way to stay clear of a stranger is stick with your friends if you can. Strangers look for kids who are alone. There's safety in numbers, so go around with friends. But when you're by yourself and you hear that little warning, you know something's not right, run away.